his first over and start with a short ball and you shot over the square leg and that's a big hit. और इस समय बहुत ऊपर खेला था लेकिन इस समय वो तूफानी पारी चालू है और क्या बेहतरीन शॉट इस समय लॉन्ग बाउंड्री और एक बार फिर बॉल और बैट के बीच में अच्छा संपर्क इस समय बैट थोड़ा सीधा रह गया और ये दूसरा 6 इस ओवर में So Jatin Patel 1 run away from the half century. 49 not out. और ये शॉट भी स्टाइल का है ये शॉट भी स्टाइल का है ये बॉल मैदान के बाहर और हाफ सेंचुरी फॉर द जतिन पटेल और बहुत बेहतरीन शॉट और क्या बात है ये तूफानी ये बैटिंग तांडव जतिन पटेल रिटायर So quick fire batting 61 from 33 6 sixes and a 3 boundary and 185 Ashtak rate of captain Anna Taskar Jatin Patel going back on his way. What a great start, what a great captain inning, a master blaster, a sensational batting. Parakram Singh Solanki, coach very happy. और पराक्रम और मिस फील्डिंग और बॉल बाउंड्री के बाद 4 रन तो बाउंड्री के साथ इस समय अच्छा शॉट है लेकिन सीधे मिस फील्डिंग हुई है लेकिन बॉल बाउंड्री के अंदर और 2 रन ऑन साइड पर बहुत कम और स्ट्रेट में भी अच्छे शॉट्स लगाए हैं फुल टॉस बॉल स्क्वायर की दिशा में कोई फील्डर नहीं है और बाउंड्री बैक टू बैक
So in this break, I'm very delighted to be joined by Tisha Joshi of Infinity Sky Glamps, one of the gifting partners who are giving a very generous gift for the winning team. Tisha, thank you first of all for joining us and speaking with me, and also for supporting SPL. First off, I just want to ask you, what inspired you to come on and be a part of this tournament, and to come on as a gifting partner.
Love the efforts and the hard work that these players are giving us. So we wanted to give them the special place to celebrate the success. So offering them the field day at Infinity Sky.
And I think I would love for you to tell us what Infinity Sky Glamps are, because of course I've seen your reels go viral on Instagram. It's a beautiful place, so I really want you to tell all our players that if they win, what they're winning.
Infinity Sky is India's first glass blue dome with private open air jacuzzi. It gives you a Finland-like experience just in India. We are the first ones to give this experience, and the winner team will experience the stay at Infinity Sky.
That's a very big incentive for these teams that are competing. We've reached the knockout stages, and we will hopefully have. We'll reach the end of this tournament very soon, and we know which team will get to experience that premium luxury in Manali. Those classic views that you speak of, a wonderful place that you guys have created. Tell me, what was the idea behind Infinity Sky Glamps?
We wanted to do something unique, give a unique experience in India. We get all the experience outside India. So we wanted to give something in India, and we have came up with and we are very proud of it, and it's a perfect gateway for anyone to experience the luxury under the sky.
And to check out more about Infinity Sky Glamps?
Yes, you can check out our Instagram page, Infinity Sky Glamps.
after they see what they're in for, it's not just the winning team, but a lot of our players who would want to come and visit the beautiful place that you've created. Thank you so much for coming on as a gifting partner. As a last question that we ask most players, I know you are a cricket fan as well. So tell us, how you liking the cricket here?
It's amazing.
And if I had to ask you to describe what sports means to you in one word, what would you pick?
Say resilience.
I think that's a great answer because sports and resilience is something that goes hand in hand. To be good at sports, to be good at life, resilience, a very important quality. Thank you so much once again for sparing your time and for supporting SPL.
It was great to hear.
Now back to the cricketing action with the commentary box.
और इस समय बहुत ऊपर खेला है और फील्डर कोई भी नहीं बॉल के आसपास और बॉल सीधे मैदान बहुत ऊपर है लेकिन पकड़ेगा कौन? दो फील्डर आए और क्या बात है, क्या कमाल का ये कैच। और यहां पर आवाज आई है और इस समय बहुत ऊपर खेला है। And that's a simple catch and wicket number 2 to captain Kazim Noor. और इस समय स्लोवर बॉल हिरेन ठक्कर निकला, हिरेन ठक्कर और ये शॉट भी हवा में है और ये भी विकेट है, ये भी विकेट है। इम्पैक्ट डाला यहां पर बॉलर्स ने। और कोशिश तो की यहां पर, इतना आसान नहीं था। अच्छा शॉट और ये बॉल बहुत ऊपर है और कमाल का शॉट मार्स पटेल के द्वारा।
That's a well placed shot and that will roll.
बहुत साथ में खेलने का प्रयास था, इस समय रन आउट का मौका है। दोनों बैट्समैन एक एंड पर और दर्शन सोनी को जाना होगा। उसके बाद मार्स पटेल ने वो काजिम नूरानी की ओवर में 14 रन लिए, वहीं से थोड़ा सा अप हुआ अनएटस्कर और वो तो फील्डर वाइड थे इस समय और बॉल बाउंस होने के बाद तो फुल टॉस बॉल और बहुत ऊपर खेला है और ये 7वां 6 पर का। फुल टॉस बॉल और इस समय एक और बेहतरीन 6। क्या कमाल कोशिश तो की थी काजिम नूरानी ने और ये एक बार फिर क्या बात है। 9-6 by Jatin Patel and he's on 79.
उड़ाकर शॉट लगाए, सिक्सर 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 गेम होया करके टिम्बर चैंपियन चॉइस। कर बॉल उड़ाकर शॉट
Boundary and 24 run from this over. क्या कमाल की बैटिंग, 3 बाउंड्री 10 6 और 225 का स्ट्राइक रेट। बहुत सेंसेशनल मास्टर ब्लास्टर बैटिंग and the team very happy.
This break, I'm very delighted to be joined by Richard Vyas from BB Vyas and Associates, who is also the wicket sponsor for SPL 2026. So, आज के मैच के पहले से बात करें, before that I just want to know what inspired you to come on join SPL as the wicket sponsor this year.
If I say that I am 9 years old with the DNI, so there is one of the part in my body that is in DNI, so I can't leave behind. And yes, it's Anuj who is one of my best buddy, brother, whatever you say. And he was doing so, and ultimately it's a DNI, and he said, "Bhai, karwanu hai." It's okay, dude. As you say. but it is really turning too good for me in terms of branding, in terms of limelight, and in terms of repetitive. When we hear, we also feel good that okay, this is what our brand is all about.
So in 30 matches of the group stage, 2 matches today, you've had almost over 430 wickets in this tournament. So 430 times that we've heard VV Vyas.
Yes. So cheers for 430 times that. Thank you BNI for giving this opportunity, and really it was really nice.
I'd like you to tell us something about your company and what it is that you do.
Okay, so as you know, you understand the name of my firm is VV Vyas. I'm a second generation into the labor law. It was started by my dad in the way back 1985. So currently, later on, for 17, 18 odd years, I joined my dad. And currently, we are serving our clients strongly and happily in the terms of all the labor law legal compliances like PSI and all the labor laws.
And I want to know how has your experience been, not just as a sponsor, but as a player. Who's playing today? I know you're cheering them on. How's your experience been in SPL 2026?
Literally all about together. If I talk about the experience, is pretty nice. If I say one word, I would say it is incredibly wow. This time SPL is going to be for all the coming time. We will now wait that when the SPL 2027 comes up. And if I talk about the today's match, yes, we all are in a pretty tense mode that we want to win. We want to win cup. So yes, we're just gonna give our best.
So, Minda Devix Dominators, this is of course an eliminator today, but I feel you played 2 eliminators in the group stage where every match was must win for your team to get through. And you did that, your team did that. So I just want to know, what's the pressure like in the team? Are you guys worried that this is an eliminator? Bowling first, the team strategy, tell us.
Yeah, so ultimately all the team playing eliminator over the finals all are precious because the league match what we have started together. So now almost 80% is done. Now 20% is left to battle. So we are all tense in mode. And then we were all having the chat that how we can go to the ending and how we can bat or ball well. So yes, you can see. Yeah, I was at some other. Actually today you can see in my face that I am not pretty happy that I could not bowl today. I could not contribute to my team. But I'm so sorry. Devex, all my teammates, all my lovely people out there. I missed you so much because already I was on call with Ankit ke bhai su thayu chalu thayu. I just played ball, I just did bad. I went in the car, I come back, but unfortunately I was not able to part of playing because I came at time.
But now I know you feel very regretful not being having the bowl today. I spoke to you when the match was on. I know how you feel, so I won't push you on that. 178 the target in the second innings. What do you think about your team's chances to chase that down?
Definitely we're gonna win. Definitely it's a pressure. It's a cricket. We cannot say anything till the last ball, but yes, we're gonna give our best, 100%, more than 100%. As you can see on the field, how the Kazim and each and every out there, the played ball, bat, and you can see the catches. So yes, ultimately we're on the game. So until the last ball, we cannot say anything. But it's a cricket. But yeah, we're gonna win so much.
And the final question that we ask everyone: you're a great cricketer, but I know how much cricket you play. So if you had to describe what sports means to you in one word, what would you say?
It's a teamwork.
That's a great answer, I think. And that also shows the spirit of Minda Devix Dominators, which is teamwork. So thank you so much, A, for speaking with us, and secondly for supporting this beautiful tournament. It's people like you who made this tournament where it is.
It's about the love what Anuj and Keith and all the BNN as well is doing. We are just a facilitator and we are just contributing what we can. Ultimately, SPL 2026 is good. Anuj, you are the great cheers for it.
Thank you so much. So that was Ruchit Vyas from VV Vyas & Associates, the cricket sponsor for SPL 2026, bringing you the first ball from the second innings very, very shortly. Stay tuned for that.
Oh, that's a very simple catch. And Jay Pulit. Oh, that's a simple catch. तो विकेट पहले ने भी लिया है और 3 रन पर पॉइंट की दिशा में खेला, बहुत बेहतरीन गुड लुकिंग शॉट। दर्शन सोनी डेब्यू किया है और पहली इनिंग में जो वो बैटिंग कर रहे थे हमने जिक्र किया। तो स्लो बॉल और किशन पटेल खेलना चाहते थे, हवा में खेला है, कोशिश तो बहुत बेहतरीन की थी इस समय, और अगर ये कैच होता तो आज के दिन का सबसे बेहतरीन कैच हो सकता था। ये जमीन से कुछ इंच ऊपर ये बॉल थी। और यहां पर बल्लेबाज अच्छा शॉट, बहुत बेहतरीन अंडर प्रेशर में कमाल की टाइमिंग, बैकफुट पे गए, अच्छा स्क्वायर कट, 4 रन्स और बाउंड्री के स्लोवर बोलते इस समय खेला ऑन साइड पर रन के लिए जा रहे हैं, क्या आवश्यकता है, और इस समय तीसरे अंपायर की
So very well placed shot from and once more going for that sweep. That ball has gone past everyone and it'll race away. Meanwhile, this is a good shot. Fielders there and it's been taken right on the boundary. What a catch!
और बहुत ऊपर खेला है, और दर्शन सोनी इन्होंने कोशिश तो की, ये बढ़िया शॉट है और फील्डर भी है दर्शन सोनी, क्या दे, ये अच्छा शॉट है और सीधे फील्डर के हाथों में। पटेल को 3 विकेट मिले आज विवेक शाह को, और इस समय क्या है, अब ये अच्छा शॉट है और ओहो क्या बात है, एक हाथ से ये कैच। सो फाइनली अनय टस्कर का लश्कर वन द मैच बाय 108 रन। क्वार्टर फाइनल में पहुंचने वाला अनय टस्कर, ये पहली टीम। तो बहुत ही बेहतरीन परफॉर्मेंस आज महत्वपूर्ण मैच। पटेल, मयंक चुंचा 25, मर्स पटेल 24,